Kaspa is dubbing now. You have been warned. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories and the top 10 addresses. Then we're going to move into the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video with the current situation of Kaspa that is dubbing. And guys, I would like to remind you that in my last couple of videos, I warned you plenty of times that guys, be aware of this kind of dump because it's very rational to happen due to the reason that we saw whale manipulation. So in this video we're gonna explain all of these things, and if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continuing, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the Kaspa price update and start with the price. Guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa right now is standing at 0.084 cents, 6.3% down. Guys, you have been warned for that. Okay, go watch my previous videos. Even on this video that I was saying Binance is secretly buying Kaspa, I warned you that Kaspa has probabilities due to the whale manipulation to do a correction from the top point. Also in the WealthNet, in my Patreon group, in the Discord actually, I said to the people when Kaspa was precisely in the second day after the rally of 10 cents that we saw the pullback back to 0.092 cents, I said into the Patreon group, guys, this is the top. And in the next 2 days, I did these 2 videos that I was warning you guys, be ready for this scenario. It can play out and has more probabilities to play out if we won't see any good fundamental news. And I would like here right now to declare the things that guys, right now, if we won't see, I say that again, okay, if we won't see any good fundamental news, like the next coming days, price cannot pump, okay, cannot pump, because retail investors cannot buy with multi-millions. Actually, to see right now Kaspa at 16 cents, okay, from 8 cents to 16 cents, that is a 2x, we need another 1.8 billion. That's lots of money. Kaspa isn't backed even in top tier exchanges yet. It's starting in a very powerful position, but right now you need to see that we had whale manipulation, and this is very obvious if you actually look at in the 1 hour time frame. The pumps and dumps was so insanely huge. We saw a pump from 7 cents to 9 cents, and this was, I believe, according to my approach, the whale manipulation. This is where the whale manipulation happened. Suddenly, from 9 cents to 7 cents, insanely dump. Okay, someone here sold massively, and afterwards, we saw the CMC that listed Kaspa properly without even following their own rules. Something is smelling here, and I will witness you that this, I believe, according to my approach, is Binance. Okay, and from 7 cents, Kaspa did incredible rally to 10 cents because rumors emerged that maybe Binance will list Kaspa soon. And at that point, FOMO kicked in from the streams and the firmwares because maybe they would like to manipulate the streams and the firmwares just for let the price get lower subsequently, and they will be able to buy a lower price. And this is a reality. I believe that Kaspa will be listed in Binance sooner than we expect. But in the current situation, you need to admit in the top, as we were here in 9 cents, institutional investors won't buy. Okay, don't think that institutional investors are stupid to pump the farmers' bank, to pump the people who actually haven't bought Kaspa at 4 cents and 5 cents and actually bought Kaspa at 9 cents to pump those banks. Institutional investors are not idiots. They got the best professional traders in the world. Okay, do you believe that Binance right now actually don't know how to buy, or they buy randomly? No, guys, they buy the proper time. Whatever you see from these top tier exchanges is ultra professional. They know when to buy, when to list. They are not doing steps randomly, okay? Every step of this top tier exchanges is very, very smart. And obviously we are in an open market, and since actually I saw this kind of manipulation, especially the last day, this current pump that happened, because the deal 0.075 cents, maximum 8 cents, it was obvious this kind of pump. I told you that, I warned you many days after a huge consolidation at the 5 cents area. I told you guys that we are about to pump. I warned you many days. Look at this, how many videos I did about Kaspa is ready for a huge pump. Look at this, Kaspa is getting ready to explode. Every Kaspa investor must watch this. 0.075 cents is imminent. And guys, subsequently I was posting the videos, Kaspa is exploding now, and we reached the technical price target, the 0.075 cents. I told you that if we're gonna see huge FOMO, that was expectable, we can get above the 0.075 cents, and I told you that the maximum is 8 cents with the ultra max bull scenario of FOMO, the 0.083 cents, and Kaspa did an incredible rally to 10 cents. That was obvious, well manipulation. Institutions came to the game, and to remind you again, when we see these massive whales, these big whales, these institutional investors into the game, we always see well manipulation. So these people are not idiots to buy the top. They're gonna manipulate the price according to my approach. They will create here like a downtrend movement, and maybe we will see this downtrend movement. Also guys, I showed you yesterday this resistance, as you can clearly see, this yellow line, and I told you we have probabilities according to the RSI2 to follow this downtrend movement, and you can clearly see that we are moving that way. Okay, right now this is not a bull flag, it's obvious. It's going to a downtrend movement, so you can clearly see also the previous hours we saw the lowest point 0.078 cents. Also FOMO happened here. Okay, lots of people bought this dip, but I believe that retail investors cannot pump the price above 10 cents. So no matter if right now we have some buying pressure, I believe this kind of pump will be exhausted, this kind of buying pressure will be exhausted, and we will get lower and lower the next coming days until we will see good fundamental news. And I believe guys that the next pump will happen maybe the middays of December. Obviously this is hypothetical scenarios, okay, it can happen tomorrow, but I believe from a rational perspective that non-institutional investor will pump the FOMOers back. Okay, that's why. Because even if those people gonna pump their bags of the FOMOers that bought for the first time at 9 cents, the price will go at 15 cents, like 12 cents, 13 cents, and then we're gonna see a correction back to these levels. So these guys actually won't have profits. And believe me guys, all of these top tier exchanges, all they're looking is profitability. Okay, they buy a specific time for a reason. So right now the most rational thinking here is to dump the streams, the FOMOers, to get the price lower at 0.065 cents, 7 cents, or maybe 6 cents, who knows, if we're gonna see any flash crash, and then they're gonna buy to skyrocket the price into new levels, and actually they would be able to have a double if they're gonna buy like in 6 cents or 7 cents, and they will pump the price to 14 cents or 12 cents, they're gonna have a double. So as you understand, this is how the whales are playing this current situation, and I believe we have actually chance to get lower and lower until the middays of December, early days of December, until we will see the good fundamental news of like a top tier exchange that will list Kaspa, and Kaspa will skyrocket. And do not forget that I describe you this situation, and I'm one of the most bullish guys in Kaspa. I have very bullish predictions. I believe even before halving, Kaspa can be under top 20 in the rank. Okay, so that means that we will see in the next coming months lots of exchange listings and lots of buying pressure around Kaspa, because Kaspa from fundamental side is unbeatable, and in general is the smartest and the most well-designed crypto that we have ever seen in the crypto space. Is solving the trilemma, scalability, security, decentralization in a level that we won't see any second best, at least for the next 10 years. The technology behind Kaspa is unbeatable. So that's why I believe Kaspa is heading straight to top 2, and it's gonna flip lots of cryptos the next coming years. And obviously in the next bull run we will see Kaspa definitely at the top 10, or if not under top 5. So rank remains today 37. Okay, very powerful position even in this current dump or pullback, called as you like, that's happening right now. Kaspa, if it's gonna be listed in one top tier exchange, guys, is gonna skyrocket rank 30, maybe below that. But get ready, it's gonna happen. Okay, but it's not gonna happen like a straight line too soon. Sit back and relax. Okay, chill out. The price doesn't get always in a straight line to the upside. Always have healthy corrections, and this is one of those corrections. The market cap is very big right now. As I told you, to see a double, we will need to see from now and then billions to come. And if we will see Kaspa at 16 cents, we will get at 3.6 billion market cap. So from 60 cents to 30 cents, we will need to see another 3 billions. Lots of money. Okay, obviously institutional investors should come into the game to pump the price into these levels, and they're gonna come even before the Bitcoin halving, but step by step, guys, not all in 1 month. Relax, we are still in November 2023. When Kaspa actually was in this consolidation phase, as you can clearly see, the last days of October, early days of November, people could not even imagine that Kaspa can pump to 10 cents just in the next coming days, and it happened. So be rational, okay? Don't actually have the hype right now in the FOMO, because you won't do rational decisions. And let's go, guys, straight into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, hash rate right now is standing at 60.38 petahash per second. With this current pump of Kaspa, actually we saw more hash rate. I mean, new 88s in hash rate, pretty bullish. Also, the current hash rate is 57.27 petahash per second, really strong. Okay, we are above 10x from where we were starting in August. In August, we had like 4 petahash per second with 5 petahash per second. When A6 came into the game, actually the computational power around the Kaspa network exploded a lot. And guys, the early days of December, last days of November, we will see more A6 into Kaspa network. That's going to explode into 3 digits the next 88 of the hash rate. So be ready for that. The computational power of Kaspa will be increased and will be in increasement in the next coming months. So that's ideal for welcome even bigger adoption and have simultaneously an insane protection. The next reduction is in 23 days, halving every month, the smartest emission schedule in crypto space, and the next reward is going to be 147 Kaspa coins per reward. And you can clearly see 74.16% mined out of the maximum supply. Really bullish. Let's move, guys, into the addresses. As you can clearly see, we saw a couple more new addresses since yesterday, and obviously this is not as we used to see in these very bullish days, okay, that we had like plus 1,000 addresses per day. Right now this number is getting lower and lower. That's obvious. The next huge increasement in the addresses will happen, like I believe, in the next rally. Okay, that, as I told you, I believe it's gonna happen in the early mid days of December. So the good thing here that is we are in increasement almost every day, something that shows that the Kaspa adoption is growing day by day. New investors are coming into Kaspa day by day. And guys, look at the categories too. We saw since the last 24 hours, couple hundreds of crab addresses, couple hundreds of octopus addresses, 56 more fishes addresses, and 10 more dolphins. Okay, 10 more dolphin addresses. We lost 8 sharks, and also maybe some here, some people selling, who knows. And we lost 1 whale and 1 humpback. And guys, let's go straight into the top 10 addresses. As you can clearly see, also KuCoin sold couple, or withdrawal, some people withdrawal from KuCoin, couple Kaspa coins. Gate.io, it seems that they bought the dip. Okay, they increased their this current Kaspa wallet balance that they got, approximately 40 more million Kaspa coins, and Mixi is standing almost in the same position as yesterday. And you can clearly see, guys, the fourth address that had insane increasement. Okay, the insane increasement, the days that we had this insane parabolic pump, right now is stable at these coins. Okay, these coins didn't move at all the last couple days, the last 2-3 days that Kaspa has this kind of pullback, this kind of downtrend movement. So maybe I told you this is maybe Binance. Some people say that this is the Uphold, or some people say that this is the OKX. Who knows? For sure, it's an institutional investor, but we will never know, at least for the short term, who's behind this address. Anyway, let's go really fast into the technical side of Kaspa, because, guys, I would like to speak for where is going to be a very great buy zone. And, guys, I would like to tell you that if you are willing to buy the dip, I recommend you to join in WealthNet, because here we are more than buy and sell signal group. I started also the live stream, so if you are looking to see who is Crypto Chris, who is behind these videos, I do private live streams. Right now, these live streams are in test, but very soon we're going to have a schedule, and we're going to see like 3 to 4 private live streams in WealthNet with WealthNet members. And, guys, here is where I buy. Okay, if you can actually see, all my buy signals in the past are very accurate. We always buy the bottom, 0.015 cents the first signal, 2 cents average buying purchase here in the third signal, 0.035 cents, and in the fourth signal we bought after this war fad at 0.041 cents. And also, guys, I called that this top is gonna be in reversal. I called that even when Kaspa was popping here, that the maximum limit that I can see for Kaspa is 5 cents, and then we're going to see a retracement. Also, I called the correction, and also I am calling the correction here on this current situation if we won't see actually new good fundamental news. Okay, so it's highly recommended if you're interested to know the next buy signal. Also, I would like to tell you here that this downtrend movement, guys, is heading, and I repeat that again for the third, fourth time in a row. If we won't see new good fundamental news like exchange listing, we will see this downtrend movement playing out, as already it seems that is playing out. Okay, today we saw massive drop at 0.078 cents, and immediately when maybe the Americans, the US woke up today before a couple hours, they bought massively the dip. Okay, they think that this is the dip. Guys, this is not the dip. According to my experience, this is only the beginning of the dip. I believe we will see exhaustion in the next coming days in the buying pressure, and obviously traders right now are in sweet spot to short Kaspa. Also in the RSI, we have got very big overbought position. Also, we have it seems that we have a very beautiful downtrend movement from the RSI, and it seems that we're gonna move that way in the Kaspa price too. Okay, this resistance of this downtrend movement is not accurate. Okay, we can maybe reform that because it's not a clear downtrend movement. It seems that it's gonna get there. This is why I have put that resistance like an example. Maybe we will reform that in the next coming days if we will see another play out in the daily candles. Okay, if we're gonna see like a move like that, we will maybe correct it. Okay, but I believe that this is a downtrend movement, and actually this is the beginning of the downtrend movement. Anyway, the good zone that I believe is going to be a very strong support to break, and also a good spot for to buy, is going to be like the worst case scenario, 6 cents if the dump is going to happen very imminent. And obviously if Bitcoin will dump too, okay, that obviously will affect all the altcoins. So if Bitcoin will get back to $34,000 or $32,000, $31,000 the next coming days, maybe obviously this will affect the Kaspa price into more rapid drop. But if this won't happen and the drop won't be so rapid because lots of people will buy every single dip here, maybe then slowly we will get lower and lower until we will find here a very strong support, okay, on this huge uptrend movement support. So we will keep observing that. 6 cents, I believe, is going to be the worst case scenario. Maybe more odds I give, and more likely scenario 0.063 cents within 0.0697 cents area. Okay, all of these areas here are good spots. So we will observe the current situation. When we will evaluate that this is a perfect time, I will give a signal in the WealthNet if the price will drop under 7 cents. So if you don't want to miss the next signal, you know where you should join. And guys, I would like to tell you that we are above 75 members. Okay, here that says 8028 is actually not updated. I don't know why. We are above 75 members right now in WealthNet. So I would like you also to know that. And let's go, guys, into the Bitcoin analysis, because as you can clearly see, also Bitcoin is in increasement the last couple of days. And I would like to tell you that maybe, guys, this was the top of the Bitcoin too, because I told you the maximum of the Bitcoin is the $40,000. Subsequently, even if we're going to touch the $40,000, I told you that this is not the beginning of the bull run, and subsequently we will see a reversal. But it seems that if you check the RSI, we saw huge overbought position for long extended period. Like even we touched the 90 RSI points very early, and right now we are in extended overbought position. And it seems that maybe we have a potential to see a drop in the next coming days back to this $34,800 support. Previously it was very strong resistance. Since we broke that and we remained above that, actually it was bullish for the next move to the upside. So there is big probabilities to come for a retest, and then we will see if actually Bitcoin will bounce to $40,000, or actually we will find a weakness to hold the support and get straight into this crucial support that also must be tested. Okay, and must be tested because I told you that previously it was very strong resistance in the bear market 2022-2023, and also very strong support in the bull run of 2020-2021. Okay, you can clearly see it was very crucial support. Since we broke that and we remained below that, it was obvious the officially beginning of the bear market. So I believe we're gonna get there for a retest sooner or later. It's not the beginning of the bull run. The buying pressure is going to be exhausted over the next coming months. All the people, all the investors, all the institutional investors will buy after halving. So the selling pressure will win. And I believe until halving, we will see massive correction in Bitcoin, or massive crash. Call it as you would like. But I don't believe that we will be in a position that we can break this 200 daily moving average. I don't believe that we have space to break this 200 daily moving average. Okay, so guys, if we will see the next coming days a drop either to $34,800 or either to $31,250, that's going to affect also the Kaspa drop to drop more rapidly. Okay, that's what I would like to tell you. Also, don't forget to check the Patreon group, because in my Patreon group, and especially in WealthNet, you will see that this group designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. WealthNet is a crypto community where you will be able to build connections with like-minded people. Multimillionaires, crypto experts, crypto YouTubers are inside of the WealthNet, very elite crypto investors. And also, guys, in WealthNet, you will learn from already experienced people that have already succeeded in the crypto field and right now enjoy a wealthy life. Okay, you will get the proper guidance to avoid very beginner mistakes that can set you broke by the next bull run, instead of put you in the path of the prosperity. And if you're looking to become a lifetime member, actually to be in the round table of WealthNet, the inner cycle, I recommend you to join in lifetime. You'll have furthermore benefits, and you can join via crypto, and you should send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com if you are looking to be in the inner cycle of WealthNet. And for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, guys, the safest way to store your Kaspa is definitely cold storage, not hot wallets. Okay, and my recommendation is Tazem wallet. I believe is the best one, and with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off of your purchase. And if you click here the link of Tazem, you will see the site here. Go up right in the corner, press get Tazem. It's gonna put you In this page where you're gonna be able to choose your cards set, I recommend you the 3 cards set. Is safer, and when you are investing and you put money in crypto, you need to have the ultimate safety. So I recommend you the 3 card set, and with a crypto Chris code you have 10% off your purchase. Okay, put the crypto Chris code in this promo code and you will get the discount. That's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, as I told you, drop it down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment from the bottom of my heart. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.